Hello guys and welcome to one of you, and today I'll be showing you how you can use your internet connection and make calls to your friends even when your phone is in airplane mode. For that you have to make sure that your phone is in airplane mode already. Once you have done that, now you have to go to your phone's dialer and dial there star hash 4636 hash star hash star. Once you have done that, you will see a new screen. You have to go to phone information, scroll down a little, and you will see this option of mobile radio power. Check it. Once you have done that, now you have to go to your home screen, and now you can make calls and use your internet connections as well. You can make call, and let's go and see if we can run our internet. I'm opening up YouTube here. So once opening up YouTube, let's search for our channel's name here. We have to search for One of You. So here's our channel, as you can see. So here's our channel, guys. You have to make sure to like, follow, subscribe, and make sure to check that bell icon as well, so that you can get continuously notified when we upload our new video. So I think this is it for this video, guys. If you have any queries or anything else to say, just comment below. I'll see you in the next one then.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.